Meaning of exportation.
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 Exportation. Exportation refers to the act of sending goods or services from one country to another for the purpose of trade or sale. The result of exportation is the opening up of new markets, increased revenue for the exporting country, and potential economic growth. Additionally, it can lead to job creation and the development of new industries. However, exportation can also have negative impacts such as the exploitation of resources and labor, as well as contributing to environmental degradation. Overall, exportation is a complex process with both positive and negative consequences.